These animals just refuse to die. Number 1. The dung beetle thrives in waste and survives harsh conditions. Built a whole career out of garbage and still winning. Number 2. The snapping turtle survives freezing winters underwater. Barely breathing, just waiting for life to restart. Number 3. The leech feeds once and survives for months. Efficient, slightly creepy, but very effective. Number 4. The king crab survives crushing deep-sea pressure. Built like a tank in one of Earth's harshest zones. Number 5. The vampire bat survives by sharing food with others. Even vampires understand teamwork better than humans. Number 6. The Gila monster stores fat to survive long periods without food. Basically, a walking backup battery. Number 7. The alpine ibex climbs near vertical cliffs easily. Gravity clearly does not apply here. Number 8. The jacana walks on floating plants with huge feet. Basically, walking on water like it's normal. Number 9. The cicada sleeps underground for years before emerging. Waits over a decade just to scream and disappear. Number 10. The marine iguana swims in cold ocean water to eat algae. A lizard that swims, nature clearly experimenting. Number 11. The dik-dik survives extreme heat with minimal water. Tiny body, maximum efficiency. Number 12. The shoebill survives by standing completely still for hours. Patience level so high, it feels illegal. Number 13. The Tasmanian devil survives with powerful bite and aggression. Small size, big attitude. Number 14. The Kea survives harsh mountain climates easily. Smart, curious, and slightly chaotic. Number 15. The Colugo glides long distances between trees to escape danger. Not flying, just refusing to fall normally.